After creating all the shapefile, all 3D diagram, thematic map, and symbolize the feature, you need to now you need to how to compose the map. At first, you go to menu bar tool and select or click on new print composer option. Give the composer title Bankura Compose. Click OK. A new window screen is appeared on your screen. Click on composition option. Select the paper size. Select A4. Number of page 1. Orientation landscape. You also change footer, but the compose is done landscape mode. And grid spacing. Suppose I give 5 minutes. Then click on the add new map icon on your menu bar and select the map compose area. Automatically the compose map is open on your screen. Then you also change page background color. Then go to layout menu and give the scale. Choose add scale bar option and draw the scale on your screen, and you select it and also move it for your working needs purpose. Then go to layout menu, choose add legend option and give the legend. Same procedure, go to layout menu and click on add attribute table. Go to layout option and click on add label and give the name. Bankura block maps. Choose the font, bold, choose the size, click OK, choose the font color, choose the horizontal alignment, you also choose rotation, dp angle, position and size. frame and choose background. Suppose you change the background, go to background of the frame, and change the size and we adjust it on the screen. Then you go to add ellipse option and draw a triangle on your screen. Change the triangle color to black. Click OK. Give the triangle name. Go to layout, add label. Means this is the north line. And same procedure to you add any image like go to image source, click on the browse and select image on your computer. Now select Bankura map. Then you need to draw a border. Go to add ellipse option, click rectangle and draw a map composition outline. You need to change transparency 100%. Click OK and you choose the color black. The map grid is showing on the screen. And you can also go to composer menu and choose the export as image. Give the name, suppose give the name Bankura, click save. Your composed map is open on computer screen.